So it looks like we're about ready to start sketching, but not really. Let's first click the big green check. If you haven't, go back. You were probably still on the Tools tab where you were playing with the document settings. Let's click back on the Sketch tab, and let's click the big green arrow where it says Finish Sketch. Now we haven't sketched anything, and we're already saying, hey, we're finished sketching. But you'll see why. Okay, we actually want to start sketching in the right side view, and the way the template was set up, we were going to be sketching in the front view, and sometimes that can be confusing depending on the orientation of your drawing. And I hope this will make sense in just a second. But over in your browser panel where it says Origin, you got the little Origin folder, and there's a plus sign to the left of it. Let's click on that plus sign so we can see all the different planes and axes available within that folder. And if you hover over the different planes and axes, you can see and get kind of an idea where these planes and axes are. We want to actually start drawing in the YZ plane, because that is the plane that's parallel, if you look at your view cube, parallel to the right side of the view cube. So we'll click on that, and let's click Repeat 2D Sketch. So we've started a new 2D sketch in that plane that's going to be parallel to the right side view. And we want to use the right side view because that's where the actual outline of our drawing is mainly shown from. Alright, now we're finally ready to draw. So we're just going to draw with lines. I'm going to pick the line command, and I'm going to actually start on this. If you can see it, it's kind of an orange dot right in the center of my drawing area, my sketching area. And I'm going to start from there, and going along the bottom edge, I know the bottom of this thing I'm drawing is 1 1/4 inches, so I'm going to draw that out. And even if you're not exact, if you mess up, don't worry about that, because we'll see a feature in just a minute that will allow you to easily change your dimensions. Then I want to go up 2 inches, and then back over 3/4 of an inch. And at this point, I need to zoom out a little bit. So I'm using my scroll wheel to zoom, and I'm going to hold my scroll wheel down to pan around. Maybe zoom back in with my scroll wheel. And I want to go up another 2 inches. And then back over 0.75. I'm scrolling, and I should be panning. And I'm coming back down 4 inches. And then I'm going to right click and say close. So if you were in AutoCAD, you probably would have drawn this with a polyline, and you would have wanted to close the polyline. But in this case, we were just using a line. That's what it is in Inventor. But we did want to make sure it was closed. And then we right click and say done.